Hello, are you an employer looking to hire an employee from overseas? There's the H-1B visa, which I've been telling you about, which is very appropriate for this situation. And the H-1B is a very complicated visa to obtain. Generally, you have to go through three different agencies, three different government agencies in order to get it. The first is even before the worker comes into the US, you have to petition the Department of Labor to determine the prevailing wage that you would have to pay to this worker. And the purpose of this is so that you don't depress the wages of other US workers by paying foreign workers less, and you also don't exploit foreign workers. So when you obtain that prevailing wage determination from the Department of Labor, next is the Department of Homeland Security. You would have to come up with a petition to submit to the Department of Homeland Security, proving that the person that you're trying to employ fits a specialty occupation visa, which is what the H-1B is. For example, that they have specialized knowledge or they have a degree that qualifies them for the H-1B. And among other requirements, this is the most lengthy and more complicated step because this is the government agency that would ultimately issue the approval of the H-1B status to the foreign employee. And once you do obtain the approval, the process is not finished. If the individual is within the US, they can change their status. But if they're outside of the US, if, for example, in Asia, then you can have them go to the Department of State, have the approval from the Department of Homeland Security sent to the Department of State, and have them schedule the individual for an interview. And the interview process is a whole different set of worms. It's a whole different can of worms that would take a lot of forms to schedule, and you would have to have them show that they're coming here to the US not to stay permanently, but just to be employed in a temporary fashion for you as the employer. And often the Department of State would look at the individual's history, their immigration history, and determine whether or not they're eligible to come here. So I've summarized the process of getting H-1B. It seems very complicated, and you need an experienced attorney on your side to help you get this visa so that you can ultimately have your foreign employee work for you and benefit your own company. So again, my name is Yifei, and I put the grant and immigrant. Thank you.